ready to share your stories and insights with the world. Let's dive into setting up your Medium account in under 2 minutes. First, head to Medium.com. You'll see a prominent Get Started button. Click that, and then choose your preferred sign-up method: Google, Facebook, or your email address. For this tutorial, we'll use email. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Once that's done, click Create Account. You'll be prompted to check your email for a verification link. Open your inbox, find the email from Medium, and click on the provided verification link. A circumflex euros. It's usually a big, colorful button. Congratulations, your account is active. Now, Medium wants to know your interests. Select a few topics that pique your curiosity. This helps personalize your feed, showing you content you'll love. Let's make your profile shine. Click on your profile icon, usually in the top right corner, and select Profile. Here, you can upload a profile picture, write a compelling bio that tells people who you are and what you write about, and add links to your social media. Getting around Medium is simple. The navigation bar at the top gives you quick access to your home feed, notifications, your own published stories, and your profile. Ready to write? Click the Write button, usually in the top right. This opens the editor, where you can start crafting your next masterpiece. You'll see a title field to grab attention and a large text area for your content. Don't forget to explore common community guidelines on Medium, focusing on respect and originality to ensure a positive experience for everyone. And that's it. You're all set to start reading, writing, and connecting on Medium. Happy publishing!